Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Be Optimistic. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm here with another video on IELTS listening. In this video I will let you guys know how to attempt map and IELTS listening, because most of the students get confused while attempting the map due to the directions, and due to which they are unable to get the accurate answer. So today I will try to assist you guys along with some tips, as well as reveal my method to solve the map questions in IELTS listening. And in my previous video I've explained how to attempt MCQs in IELTS listening. If you haven't watched that video, then you can get the link in description box. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Like my videos and share with your other friends as well. So let's dive into today's concept without wasting your precious time right now. We will solve map questions with the heading Art and History in the Supermarket. Firstly, I would recommend you guys to mark the directions so that you can easily find your answers. And when speaker mention about any direction, so that you can easily move toward that direction without facing any difficulty. As I have mentioned over here, south, north, northeast, northwest, west, east. Also mention the corners southeast and southwest, right? And you should also keep in mind about left and right, because sometimes speakers use left and right instead of saying north and west. And after that you should read the landmarks, those are given in the map. These are more important, as we have bank, station square, hill road, city road, public garden, right? After that we will read the questions and all the answers will be given in the same order, so you don't have to worry. Just keep in mind about the names of landmarks, as a little bit about the questions as well, so that you can move towards the next question when you hear about the next your place name, like first Reynolds House, the Thumb, the museum, the Contemporary Art Gallery, the Warner Gallery, and last one Nucleus. Now I will start the audio, and after each question I will pause the audio in order to explain about the accurate answers. So let's start.
And answer questions 15 to 20. The sheep market is one of the main centres for art and history in the whole of the country. If you look at our map, you'll see some of the main attractions there. Most visitors start from Crawley Road at the bottom of the map. The Reynolds...
They mentioned that visitor starts from the Crawley Road, so it is our starting point. Always keep in mind about the starting point, because speaker will take assistance of this area in order to disclose about the location of the given questions, right?
House is one of the oldest houses in the city and is open to the public. It's on the north side of Crawley Road, next to the footpath that leads to the public gardens. The area is particularly interesting for its unusual sculptures.
The speaker has mentioned that the Reynolds House is one of the oldest house in the city and is open to the public. It is on the north side, this is our north side of Crawley Road, and next to the footpath that leads to the public garden. So our answer would be H.
But it's a thumb. It's just what its name suggests, but it's about 10 metres high. You'll see it on Hill Road, across the road from the bank. The museum's got a...
The speaker has mentioned that thumb is located on the high road, on the hill road, across the bank. Across means we can consider it as opposite. Actually it means crossing the road. So our answer would be C over here. So let's move toward the museum. So listen the audio firstly.
A particularly fine collection of New Zealand landscapes. It's on the east side of the sheep market, on City Road. It's on the other side of the road from the public gardens, immediately facing the junction with Hill Road. The Contemporary Art Gallery is on a little road that leads...
About the museum, speaker has mentioned that museum got a particularly fine collection of New Zealand landscape and it is on the east side of Sheep Market. So our east side is this, east side of Sheep Market, and after that they have mentioned that it is on the other side of the road from the public garden, on the other side of the road from the public garden, and after that immediately facing the junction with Hill Road. Immediately facing means exactly and the front of Hill Road. Junction means where two roads meet, means जिथे दो roads इकट्ठियां ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, join ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, meet ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਉਹਨੂੰ junction ਬੋਲਦੇ ਨੇ. And in the speaker have mentioned that immediately facing the Hill Road, it means exactly in front of Hill Road. So our answer would be F over here. So next move toward the Contemporary Art Gallery.
It's on the other side of the road from the public gardens, immediately facing the junction with Hill Road. The Contemporary Art Gallery is on a little road that leads off Station Square, not far from the public gardens. The road ends at the gallery. It doesn't go anywhere else. That's open every day except...
About the Contemporary Art Gallery, the speaker has mentioned that it is located off-road to the Station Square and it ends at the gallery, means this road is not leading anywhere else and not far from the public garden. So our answer would be G. So let's move toward our 19th question, the Warner Gallery.
Mondays. The Warner Gallery specializes in 19th century art, except Mondays. The Warner Gallery specializes in 19th century art. It's on City Road, near the junction with Crawley Road, on the same side of the road as the public gardens. It's open on weekdays from 9 to 5.
About the Warner Gallery, the speaker has mentioned that it is on the City Road near the junction with Crawley Road. It is on the City Road near the junction with Crawley Road and on the same road as the public garden, means same road te ne jithe public garden di tarah, right? City Road junction with the Crawley Road. So our answer would be high over here. So let's move toward our last question, the nucleus.
5, an entry is free. Finally, if you're interested in purchasing high quality artwork, the place to go is Nucleus. You need to go from Crawley Road up through Station Square and east along Hill Road until you get to a small winding road turning off. Go up there and it's on your right. If you get to City Road, you've gone too far.
About the nucleus location, the speaker has mentioned that you have to go from the Crawley Road, means we have to follow this path. After that, up through the Station Square, and east, it is our east, and east along the Hill Road until you get a small windy road. It is like windy road and it is on your right. So it is our right and it is our left. So our answer would be B. So in this way we get our answers H, C, F, G, I, V. These are questions from 15 to 20. So guys, you can also get the correct answers in this way. Firstly, mark the directions, then try to remember the names of the landmark so that you can easily locate your answers, because you won't get too much time to spend on the one question. And unfortunately, if you miss a question, then move towards the next question, and always keep in mind about your starting point. As they mentioned that visitor starts from, sometimes speakers mentioned that you are here, and sometimes it is also written over here that you are at this place now. So always keep in mind these small, and keep practicing of the map questions for next 2 to 3 days, and attempt as many as map questions you can. You will definitely become proficient in solving the map questions, but keep practicing on daily basis. And if you face any difficulty, then you can tell me in the comment box. I will try to sort out your problem. So that's all for today, guys. today. I hope that this video gonna be fruitful for you guys, and always try to keep my tips in your mind while attempting the map questions. And if you still face any difficulty while attempting the map, then let me know in the comment box. I will try to clear your doubts. If this video is useful for you, please press the like button. Keep supporting me and keep watching my video. Bye bye, take care.